contestant tonight is Christine Prisblack. Here she comes. Christine is from Angola. She likes taking care of animals and children. She lists that as her hobbies and interests. What does she do for a living? She's a nanny. Her favorite band is Brian Setzer. I'd manage and end his orchestra too, Christine, yes? Oh yes, of course. Her favorite drink is green tea. Her favorite hot rod is a Mustang. Her favorite films are Anything with Molly Ringwald. Christine, you are a gal from the 80s, aren't you? I like it. Her pinup influences include Betty Page, Kim Sish, and Lucille Ball. Christine, take a laugh, girlfriend. Give her a round of applause. She is gorgeous, guys. Give her a round of applause. Our second gal tonight gracing your presence is Catherine Lulu Barton. Catherine hails originally from Orange County, California. Her hobbies and interests include pinups with a cause, photography, and painting. What does she do for a living? She's a business accountant. Ooh, now. Her favorite bands are Chuck Berry, Lower Town Trio, Stray Cats, and Brian Setzer. Her favorite drink is tequila, straight up, Jose Cuervo. Favorite hot rod is a 1960 DeSoto Firefly two-door. That's a two-door girl right there, gentlemen and ladies. That's a two-door girl right there. Her favorite film is Boondock Saints, and her pinup influence is Ava Gardner. Give a hand for Catherine Lulu Barton. Thank you, Catherine. You look just gorgeous.
I reckon you're right, sis.
Our next contestant is Chevy Girl. Chevy Girl comes to us from Cheektowaga. Her hobbies and interests are pinup cars and rock and roll. What does she do for a living? She's an executive assistant. Her favorite bands are the Blue Ribbon Bastards and her hubby's band Thorn. Her favorite drink is any IPA. Favorite hot rod is her 63 Chevy Nova. Girl, now. Favorite films are Gypsy and Gone with the Wind. Her pinup influences are Liz Taylor and Jane Mansfield. Give a hand for Chevy Girl today. Our next contestant gracing your presence today is Harlow Holiday. Harlow Holiday is from Syracuse, New York. Her hobbies and interests include makeup, burlesque, vintage fashion, music, dancing, love, and laughs. Harlow Holiday, don't we love it? What do you do for a living? She's a prevention health advocate for women's program at ACR Health. That is a girl with a cause right there. Favorite drink is champagne. Favorite hot rod is anything sharp and shiny. Favorite films are Ziegfeld Follies, Can Can, and Gentlemen Prefer Blondes. Pinup influences include Lily Christine, the Cat Girl, Betty Page, and Miss Victory Violet. Let's give a hand for the lovely, fabulous Miss Harlow Holiday. Our next contestant today is Pasha Jones, aka Cat. Cat is from Buffalo, New York. Her hobbies and interests include fixing up her 1950 Chevy. What does she do for a living? She's a physician advisor. Favorite bands are Foo Fighters. Favorite drink is beer. Favorite hot rod is hers. Favorite film, Kill Bill, and her pinup influence is Miss Betty Page. Let's give a hand for Pasha Jones. Our next contestant is Kirsten Fink. Is that price is right enough for you? Kirsten Fink. Kirsten is from Syracuse, New York. Her hobbies include dressing up, motorcycles, hot rods, and visiting cemeteries. What does she do for a living? She's in retail management. Her favorite bands are The Cramps and Wanda Jackson. Her favorite drink is Berry Sangria from Dinosaur Barbecue. We know all about that, don't we? Favorite hot rod is a Plymouth Duster, 1972, her dad's. We like that too. Favorite films, The Wild One and Faster Pussycat Kill Kill. Is that right? All right. Pinup influences are Betty Page and Micheline Pitt. Give us a hand for Kirsten Fink. Our next contestant is Amy Strawbridge. Amy Stravich. I gotta do that now because it sounds better. Amy Stravich is from Eden, New York. Her hobbies and interests are photography and landscaping. What do you do for a living? She was a bartender. Her favorite bands are Flipside from Buffalo, New York, and the Eagles. Her favorite drink is a Long Island iced tea. Her favorite hot rod is a Camaro. Her favorite film is Somewhere in Lima. And pinup influences are Marilyn Monroe and Ava Gardner. Give us a hand for Amy Stravich. Our next contestant coming up here is Cynthia Marie. Cynthia Marie is from Buffalo, New York. Her hobbies and interests are boating, roller skating, and modeling. What does she do for a living? She does some retail and a little modeling. Favorite bands are the Blue Ribbon Bastards and Nerds Gone Wild. Favorite drink is beer. Favorite hot rod is Camaro. Favorite films are comedy films, and her pinup influence is one Marilyn Monroe. Give us a hand for the lovely Cynthia Marie. Our next contestant is Summer Rose. Summer Rose comes to us from Lockport, ladies and gentlemen. Her hobbies and interests include detailing cars. Oh, we like that. You're a car detailer, Summer? All right. What do you do for a living? She's a mom and a dysfunctional veteran. What does that mean? Her favorite band is Volbeat, Korn, and Godsmack. Her favorite drink is coffee. Favorite hot rod is 32 Ford Sportster. Favorite film is Boondock Saints, and pinup influence is the fabulous Miss Betty Page. Give us a hand for Miss Summer Rose. Our next contestant we have here is Amy Diamond Adams. Amy Diamond Adams comes to us from Farmington. Her hobbies and interests are baking and dancing. What does she do for a living? She's a school nurse. She's making the kids all healthy. Favorite bands is Elvis, Carl Perkins, and Stray Cats. Favorite drink is a Singapore Sling. Favorite hot rod is a 57 Chevy. Favorite films are Blackbeard and Rebel Without a Cause. Pinup influences are Marilyn Monroe and fabulous Betty Page. Give a hand for Amy Diamond Adams. Our next contestant is Violet Fenn. Violet is from Buffalo, New York. Her hobbies and interests are music, cycling, politics, and being fabulous, obviously. What do you do for a living? She's a registered nurse. Favorite bands, Rancid, Dead Milkman, X. Favorite drink is a gin and tonic. Favorite hot rod is her Volkswagen. Violet, what year is your Volkswagen? It's a 2008. I like it. That's fabulous. It's a Volkswagen. That's fine. Favorite films are Fight Club, Watchmen, and Night of the Living Dead, and pinup influences is the fabulous Miss Betty Page. Let's give it up for Violet Fenn. Ladies and gentlemen and ladies, this is our last contestant for the night. We have Miss Poppy Valentine. Poppy Valentine comes to us from Chickawaga, New York. Her hobbies and interests include traveling, looking for old records to play on her Crosby. We like that too. What do you do for a living? She's a history teacher. Poppy, what grade do you teach the histories to? High school history teacher. Favorite bands are the Goo Goo Dolls. Her favorite drink are milkshakes. Favorite hot rod is Mustangs. Favorite film is Forrest Gump. And her pinup influence is Rosie the Riveter. Give it up for Poppy Valentine. Friends, we have come to the moment where all of our contestants have strutted their beautiful selves on stage, and now we have to crown the top 3. So we're going to take a moment, we're going to ask you to talk amongst yourselves for just a minute, and we're going to come back with our top 3 finalists for the Old School Review Room 2017 Cavalcade Pinup Pageants.